Hi children, welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to complete the lesson, the hilly states of northeastern India. So we come to the last three states. So first I am going to do Mizoram. Now the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. And the languages spoken are Mizo and English. Mizo is the local language as well as English. Crops: bamboo, rice, spices like ginger, turmeric and chili, which is called bird's eye. So we know all this: bamboo, we know rice, we know spices, now like ginger, turmeric, but the chili, which is very pungent, is called bird's eye. Fruits: passion fruit, orange and banana. Now passion fruit is a fruit like a lime. Okay, so many people use it as to make juice out of it. So it is yellow inside when it is ripened, and it is a famous fruit of this place. Orchards of passion fruit you will find in Mizoram. Then oranges and bananas. Occupation is jhum farming, children, which is called shifting cultivation. I've already explained to you, but I will just recall once again. That is, the farmer grows the crops on one land, but he will not grow the coming year he will not grow that crop on that land, but he will grow the crop on some other land and keep that land barren. So it will be left barren for around 10 to 15 years, and the crop is shifted to some other land. So that is called jhum farming. So that is done to make the soil fertile. So here you can see agriculture or cultivation, and the other one shows you weaving, where a person is weaving. Next, dress is tribal. I have made a collage of all the tribal dresses of Mizo or Mizoram, children. You can have a look. You can see a small boy and a girl also in this picture here who is wearing a tribal dress. Festivals are Christmas. You can see Christmas. They celebrate Christmas like us. And then there is the tribal festival also. Dance is bamboo dance. That is, bamboos are kept, and then the girls dance or boys dance on the bamboo. So the bamboo dance is very famous in Mizoram and most of the northeastern hilly states. Vegetation is bamboo. Now one important part of the bamboo, children, is after flowering and shedding their seeds, the bamboo dies. So after the seeds are shed and flowering, the bamboo dies, and that is called mautam in their language. So the people of Mizoram call it as mautam, so that the bamboo dies. You know what is mouth? So mouth means yes, right. So that is, the bamboo dies. Animals, the clouded leopard, children, looks very nice. It is a little clouded type, so it is named as clouded leopard. You can see the tiger and the barking deer. Now the barking deer. These are the most species which are found in Mizoram. Food is rice bai. That is pork with bamboo shoot, herb and spices. Now pork is the meat of the pig. So people consume a lot of pork here because most of them are Catholics and Christians, and they consume a lot of pork. It is prepared with herbs and bamboo shoots. So it is called as rice bai. You can have a look at the picture here, children. Next, handicrafts are bamboo products. Baskets, hats, furniture. So I have made a collage. You can have a look of all the bamboo and cane furniture. Places of tourist interest is the Dampa Wildlife Sanctuary. This is a tiger reserve, children, where they protect the tigers. So the one is Dampa Wildlife and the other one is Wantong Waterfall. So this is the One Tong waterfall, which is very famous in Mizoram. So we have almost finished Mizoram. Now I go to the next state, that is Meghalaya. Now the word Megh, you have learned in Hindi, the word Megh means clouds. So Meghalaya is called the abode of clouds. And this Meghalaya is supposed to be the wettest place in the world also. Capital is Shillong. Language is Khasi, Garo and English. Khasi and Garo are the local languages which are spoken there along with English. Rivers are Daring and Umkir. Now you can see the river Daring here, and in the next picture you can see Umkir. So you can see Daring and you can see Umkir. Crops: rice, maize, orange, pineapple and lemon. So rice, oranges, pineapple, lemons, maize. Occupation is agriculture. You can see a farmer doing something with his crops. Maybe he is spraying some insecticide or he is putting some manure for his crops. Dress is tribal. In both the pictures you can see the tribal dress of the people of Meghalaya. Festival is Christmas and tribal. So they celebrate Christmas like us, and the other festival is tribal. So have a look, Christmas and tribal. Music and dance, that is the folk music. Dance is also folk, but very important is the flute. So the people in Meghalaya like to play the flute. So they make the flute out of bamboo, and most of the people are very good in playing the flute. So I have shown you the picture of a flute. Can you see it? Okay. Next, flora and fauna. Now, peach plant towards the right, children. You have learned in science about the peach plant, which is an insectivorous plant which tries to trap insects. So you will find orchids of this peach plant there. And next picture you can see an orchid, a very colorful orchid there. So these are the most important species of flora. Handicrafts is cane and bamboo products, which is very common, children. I think by looking at these pictures, I think you all must have really registered that these northeastern hilly states are very famous for that. Next, food is jado, which is rice with meat. Now it could be any meat. It could be chicken, it could be mutton, it could be beef, it could be pork, but it is rice with any meat, and the word for that is jado. So they call it jado. So that is a traditional food. Places of tourist interest. Now first is the Umiam Lake, which is a famous lake, children, very beautiful lake. Can you have a look? Then Mawsynram, the wettest place in the world. After that, Cherrapunji. Now Cherrapunji was once the wettest place in the world, but no more. Now it is Mawsynram. But it is a wettest place, but not the wettest place in the world. It was once upon a time. Next, you go to the next. We finished with Meghalaya. Now we come to the next state, that is the last state we are going to do, is Tripura. The capital is Agartala, and the languages are Bengali and Kokborok. Now Bengali is the language you all know, which is spoken in Bengal, West Bengal or Kolkata. So these people in Tripura are very close, so they also speak Bengali, and Kokborok is their traditional local language there. Rivers are Gumti and Manu. Now this Gumti is river Gomati, that is the tributary of river Ganga. In Tripura they call it as Gumti. Can you see the picture of Gumti river and Manu river? So these two pictures depict the rivers. Occupation is agriculture and weaving. Dress is tribal. Now I have put two pictures up here which depict the dress. Next, food is chickpea. Now chickpea is bamboo shoots. See children, you have realized in all their food they have bamboo shoots. So chickpea is bamboo shoots and meat. It could be any meat. It could be mutton, lamb, pork, beef, anything. But with bamboo shoots, because bamboo shoots are very healthy. Crops are rice, spices, oranges and pineapple. So these are the crops. And cash crops are rubber. You can see rubber here. That is a cash crop. You can see that rubber is being extracted in that picture there. That white color. Next you see jute. It is used in sacks to make a sack and all. Jute bags, all those things. So this is the jute. This is the plant, this is the jute, and last you see the rice, the tea plantation. So you see it is a lot of tea is grown in this hilly states. Festivals is Durga Puja and tribal. So this is the very famous festival in the northeast, that is Durga Puja. So it is during the Navratri, they have the Durga Puja. The tribal festivals, I have made a collage. Children, you can see a lot of tribal festivals. So you can just have a look at those pictures. We need not know the names. Music and dance is also tribal. You can see in the first picture, the women are with plates in their hand. So that is a tribal dance. And you can see in the other picture also a tribal dance. Tree is bamboo, very famous. Animals are tiger, leopard, monkey and the langur. So I have shown you a picture of the langur here. Can you see the langur? So this langur is a very important animal in Tripura. In Tripura. Next, handicrafts, cane and bamboo. See children, so many things. I just feel like picking up all those things. But I cannot do it. It's a picture. So everywhere you will find cane, cane, cane. Next, places of tourist interest is the Ujjayanta Palace. Now this palace was by a king who ruled Tripura. So it is after him, it is named after him. And the next picture is Unnakoti, which are rock carvings. So these are the two places of interest in Tripura. So with this, I finish with the hilly states of northern mountains. Now, anyway children, hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay home, stay safe.